Hello, Namaste, and welcome back to my channel Ayur Yoga Mudra. Today, I am going to tell you about some of the foods that will increase your immunity and immune system. Normally, now people are getting more sick, getting fever, and more diseases attacking by virus, bacteria due to their low immune system. In some people, they are born with high immune system and they can defend from bacteria and viruses. Some people are born with less immune system. So our body is like if our body is consists as a palace, then our immune system will be the wall, like a fort. It will protect our body from everything. So if we increase the immune system, then we can doesn't need to afraid. it, it is better if it doesn't have any disease than affected by disease. If you are affected by disease, then we go into hospital, then we need to take rest, then we need to take medicine. There are so much process. So better affected by the diseases, we can protect our body from without affecting any diseases. We can fight with bacteria if we have a more immune system. So now I will tell some of the food that are available in market in cheap, that is very less price. So some of the best food you can add this on your daily basis. In many of your food item you can add these powders, so it will increase the immunity of your body. So you can add this in daily basis to any of your item like a non-veg or vegetarian food, any food, so it will increase your immune system. So the first one I am describing is turmeric. You all know about turmeric. Turmeric is a great one, best one regarding to fight against diseases. It will increase the immune system of the body. The turmeric contain one common called curcumin. So this is have an anti-inflammatory property and good for pain relief, liver function, reduce the risk of cancer, and it can be used for to cure arthritis and joint pain. The next one is cumin. This can also be added in various food items for taste, and even if you can add in water and drink. Normally if you are drinking water, you can add cumin to water and you can drink the water. More than immune system, it will also promote the digestion. And if you have an indigestion, you can use cumin, and it is a rich source of iron. And if you have diabetes, you must include the cumin on your food, and it will increase the cholesterol and improve good cholesterol level, and good for to weight loss and fat reduction, and it helps in drug dependence. These are the main advantages of cumin. Next one is coriander. You can have coriander and coriander leaves. Both is more healthy and good in protecting the immune system. Coriander is a source of dietary fiber, manganese, magnesium, vitamin C. So much minerals are in coriander. It helps to decrease the cholesterol level, increase the bowel movement and liver function. It can stimulate increased secretion. So if you have diabetes, you must include insulin on. If you have diabetes, you must include coriander in your food. It will increase the insulin level and good against inflammatory and diseases such as arthritis, and for mouth ulcer also, and for eye problem. Coriander is good for conjunctivitis and eye problems. And if you can directly eat the coriander leaves without cooking, so that is one of the other advantage. You can directly eat coriander leaves without cooking in lunch or breakfast or dinner. And also you can add coriander seed on water and drink the water. That is also good for health. So you can add coriander on the drinking water and drink that water. That is more effective. Next, one of the important thing is garlic. Garlic is called the nectar of life. It will increase the longevity of life or lifespan, because it is very much rich in manganese, vitamin C, B6, fiber, and so much things are available on the garlic. You can drink one at least a day. You can eat one clove or 3 grams of garlic. It will reduce the blood pressure, reduce heart disease, risk of heart disease, protect against Alzheimer's disease. So much things are in garlic. You can add garlic paste to many of your food item. It will increase the taste, and also it will cure many diseases. And one more thing, some people are allergic to garlic. If you are allergic to garlic, don't use garlic, because in some people garlic is causes allergy. So beware of that. The next thing is ginger. Ginger is also have so much medicinal property, like it will decrease diabetes, anti-inflammatory property, etc., and it can also fight against cancer. Ginger also good for cold and cough. If you have cold and cough, you can eat ginger with jaggery. Also, you can drink ginger with water. Like if you are drinking water, like you can add ginger also to water and drink. It will increase the digestion, and it is also decrease the cold and cough problem. You can eat ginger with honey or ginger with jaggery. That will increase the immunity and protect the body. Ginger is very useful. Next, we are going to the leafy vegetable, that is spinach. Spinach is rich in, like other fruits and vegetables, it is also rich in vitamin A, C, K, magnesium, iron, manganese, and it also having proteins. If you are workout person or a sports person or athletics or going to gym, you need to gain muscles also, you can include spinach in daily basis. And one of the most thing is you can eat spinach directly. And if you cook spinach, the some of the minerals and vitamins will be lost, so you must eat spinach in raw form without cooking. That will increase get more minerals to body. So it is best, I prefer to eat spinach without cooking as a raw form, so it will give more nutrients and minerals to body. Next one is broccoli. Broccoli is also rich in potassium and the vitamin K, C, and one of the thing is it contain folic acid. 1 cup of broccoli contains this type of minerals, and one of the best thing is it will promote the folic acid production in body. That is good for the skin and cell regeneration in our body. So you must include broccoli in your diet at least twice in a week. And next is curd. Curd contains so many minerals and proteins. It is a source of protein and minerals. Also unsaturated and saturated fat and protein and calcium. One of the thing is calcium. So everyone must include curd. But one thing in mind, will not use curd after sunset. You can include curd in breakfast, lunch, but don't use curd in dinner or at night time. You can use in daytime. Curd, it is very much effective in protecting our body and increasing the immune system. Next thing is black pepper. Black pepper is also called the black gold, because that much properties it have. If you are if your body doesn't set, you can use pepper. It will increase the set in body and help to remove the toxic substance from the body. So if you are a person without sweating, so you can use this pepper in your daily food. So if our pepper, then the most it will be produce our body, and the impurities and toxic from our body will be removed from our body through sweat. So you can use pepper, and so much medicinal property pepper have. Even if you are making omelette or anything, you can add, finally you can add pepper for taste, and you, for your healthy life you can add pepper. The next one is mushrooms. Nowadays, mushroom is largely available in the market. So it is same like it has vitamin B and D, and it will fight against and have anti-inflammatory powers, and reduce the tumor growth, and suppress the allergic problem. So you must include the uh, you must include this on your food on daily basis. It is also rich in protein and calcium. And next one is I'm telling about citrus fruits. The citrus fruits also you must include on your daily basis. Citrus fruits contain mainly lime, orange, like that. It is a great source of vitamin C. So vitamin C is much more needed to fight against the diseases. So and one of the thing is it is fight against kidney stones. So you must have include vitamin C on daily. So you must include lime or orange in your daily food. So these are the food items that is basically needed to increase the immune system to your body. So thanks for watching my channel. If you like my video, please like my video and subscribe my channel. Share my video. Thanks for watching. I will definitely come with another video. I wish everybody have a fruitful, enjoyable life, healthful life. I wish everybody have a healthful life. Good luck. Thank you.